On this episode, we've got the Yeezy Powerphase versus the Yeezy Powerphase, plus a brand new theme song for the new year.
Show me that leather. Show me that leather. Show me that leather. Show me that leather.
Show me that leather. Welcome back to Show Me That Leather, the only show on YouTube where I, Brad Hall, shows you that leather. Two Yeezy Powerphases sitting in front of me. We're gonna compare that leather on this episode of Show Me That Leather. Let's locate the leather on both colors. On the white pair, here, 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 and back here. On the gray pair, here, 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 back here, here too. Same exact leather placement. We're gonna start with the toe box and just a gentle press on both. Look at that leather give way. It just buckles underneath the pressure of my touch. Really soft stuff. Now let's check out the sides, one at a time, alternating. White pair, gray pair, back to white, back to gray, both. Now just gray, back to white, then gray, and then one more time with both. Now let's see what the tongue leather is all about. Just a simple swipe, very soft, very smooth. I've already debuted a brand new theme song, and today I've also got a brand new test. It's the toe test. For the toe test, I'm gonna be using my fingers to simulate toes, and away we go. My toes are wiggling. Leather moves perfectly with them. You could go sockless on this shoe, and you would get a lot of pleasure. One last section, the heels. And there they are. Thanks for watching Show Me That Leather. I hope you saw a lot of leather because I know I was showing it. Please tune in next time, and until then...
Show me that leather. Show me that leather. Show me that leather. Show me that leather.
Show me that leather.